6 mistakes to avoid when trading up to a larger home. Hey guys, my name is Sandy Sills. I'm a licensed realtor here in Central Florida, and today I want to do a video on 6 trade-up mistakes to avoid, or 6 mistakes to avoid when trading up to a larger home. Unlike the experience of buying a first home, when you're looking to move up and already own a home, there are certain factors that can complicate the situation. It's very important for you to consider these issues before you list your home for sale. Not only is there the issue of financing to consider, but you also have to sell your present home at exactly the right time in order to avoid either the financial burden of the dilemma of having no place to live during the gap between closings. So we're going to go through these 6 strategies. But before I start, I want to let you know that we do work with a program called Knock, and what they do, they give you the opportunity to sell the home you're living in first, and then they give you the opportunity to buy the home you're moving to first. Once you buy that home and you move into that home, then you could sell your second home. So that's one option as well. But let's talk about these 6 specific strategies. By the way, this report, I'm going to give you a summary of the report in the video. But if you want the full report, feel free to call us or text us, and we will send you the full report by email or mail it out to you, okay? In the report, we outline the 6 most common mistakes homeowners make when moving to a larger home. Knowledge of these 6 mistakes and the strategies to overcome them will help you make informed choices before you put your existing home on the market. Okay, what are the 6 things? Here's number 1, rose-colored glasses. What does that mean? Most of us dream of improving our lifestyle and moving to a larger home. The problem is that there's sometimes a discrepancy between our hearts and our bank accounts. Would you agree with that? You drive by a home that you fall in love with, only to find out it's already sold or that it's more than what you're willing to pay. Most homeowners get caught in this hit or miss tragedy of home hunting, when there's a much easier way of going about the process. For example, find out if your agent offers a buyer profile system or house hunting service, which takes the guesswork away and helps to put you in the home of your dream. That's number 1. Number 2, failing to make necessary improvements. If you want to get the best price for the home you're selling, there will certainly be things you can do to enhance it in a prospective buyer's eyes. These fix-ups don't necessarily have to be expensive, but even if you do have to make a minor investment, it will often come back to you tenfold in the price you're able to get when you sell the home. That's number 2. Number 3, not selling first. You should plan to sell before you buy, depend upon the situation that you're in. We have a program where you could first get a pre-approval to buy the home that you want to move to first. Once you buy that home, you'll sell your home second. The program that we offer also they will give you up to 6 months of mortgage payment for the home you're moving from. So how this works is, first, you get pre-approved based upon the equity that you have in the home that you're living in or the one that you're about to sell. Based upon that, then you'll be able to buy the home that you want to move to. Once you buy that home, you're going to then move to that home that you just purchased and then sell the home you're moving from with up to 6 months of mortgage payment, which means if it takes up to 6 months, which it probably won't, but if it did take up to 6 months to sell the home that you're moving from, you'll have those mortgage payments covered based upon the equity you have in the home that you are moving from. So that's a great thing to do. Number 4, sorry, that was number 3. Number 4, failing to get pre-approved. Pre-approval is a very simple process that many homeowners fail to take advantage of. While it doesn't cost or obligate you to anything, pre-approval gives you a significant advantage when you put an offer on the home you want to purchase, because you know exactly how much house you can afford and you already have the green light from your lending institution. What does this mean? So if you are buying, let's say you're living in this home is for $400,000. That's the market value in the home you're living in, right? and you want to move up. So you want to buy a home. The home you want to buy is for $600,000. It's in a different neighborhood, different kind of home. So you're going to go to your lender. You're going to say, listen, this is the home I'm in. This is what it's worth. They're going to do their own due diligence as well. But this is what it's worth. And we want to move to this other home for $600,000. So they're gonna give you a pre-approval based upon you selling the home that you're currently in. They're gonna also consider the equity that you have in the home you're living in, and they'll give you a pre-approval so you could go ahead and put an offer in on another home, which is a $600,000 home that you want to move to. This is an example, right? That way you could show your pre-approval. You could also put an offer in contingent upon selling your home. But in this market that we're in, and this is June of 2022, so I'm not sure what's going to happen as interest rates start to climb. But in this market, a lot of people will not take the sell your home first contingency. They won't take the offer on based upon you selling your home. That's why we offer a program that you're able to actually do what you're trying to do. Actually buy the $600,000 home first and then sell your $400,000 home after, the one you're moving from. So buying the larger home first, then selling the smaller home without obligating you to anything, or without feeling pressured, or without you having to put an offer in contingent upon you selling the home you're living in first. Right? That's number 4. Give us a call, send us a text, we'll give you details on that. Here is number 5. Getting caught in the real estate catch-22. Your biggest dilemma when buying and selling is deciding which to do first, right? Should I sell first, buy first? What should I do? We actually have a report that we do on this very matter. So you could also call us for a report on that as well. But we do offer a trade-up program. So you're trading up to buy another home and you want to sell this home. So in the program that we offer, it allows you to do that and to avoid the whole real estate catch-22. Real estate catch-22 again would be, okay, so now I'm selling this home, I want to buy another home, but I need the money from the home I'm in to buy the next home. But then if I sell my home first, where am I going to live, right? That's the catch-22. So we actually have a solution for that. Give us a call, send us a text, we'll discuss that with you. Here's number 6, failing to coordinate closing, right? So let's say you're in a situation where you actually, let's say you're building a brand new home, right? Let's say the home you're moving up to is a brand new construction home. So that means you went out there, you put your deposit, and the builder told you it would take 6 to 7 months to build the home. So while they're building the home, you now have time to sell the home that you're in. So you want to coordinate the closing so that if the builder says, hey, you can close on this home September 30th, you want to close on your home first because you need the money out to go close on the new construction home that you're moving up to, right? So you may want to do a situation where the buyer that's buying your current home, see if they'll allow you to stay in the home like for a week. So let's say you close on September 23rd as an example, and they'll allow you to stay for a week. So you're able to close, get the equity to close on your new construction home to move to it, right? That's one scenario. Another scenario might be you close on the home you're living in first. The buyer does not want you to stay there. So you could put your stuff in storage and either stay at a hotel or an Airbnb property or a family member home just for that week or two until you close on the new construction home. So when it comes to new construction, it might have a little more flexibility since the home isn't built yet. So if you're buying a to be built home and you need to sell this home first, this home to buy that home, you could put a deposit down on the to be built home and have them start building it and then coordinate you selling the home that you're living in to purchase that other home. So that might be a better scenario. With the program that we offer, let's say you're selling your home and you want to move up to another home, but it's not a new construction home, but you need the money from the first home first. Then what we will do, we will set you up with our lender, and what they do, they're going to give you a pre-approval based upon the equity in this home and based upon your income, debt to income ratio, all that great stuff. They'll let you know what you qualify to buy. Once you get that pre-approval, you could go out shopping. You find a home, you put a down payment on that home, you buy that home, then you move to the home that you are buying, the larger home. And then once you do that, then you sell this home because they'll also give you up to 6 months of the mortgage payment for the home you move from. Okay. Again, my name is Sills. I'm a licensed realtor here in Central Florida. If you have any questions on this, or if you want to get this full report on the 6 mistakes to avoid when trading up to a larger home, just send us a text, or email us, and we will either email or mail you out the full report. If you have any questions on this topic, feel free to give us a call, send us a text at 407-791-4713. We should also have all our information on the bottom of this video as well. Thank you so much for listening. We appreciate you. And we also could set up a no obligation, free, complimentary Zoom consultation on this very topic. Thank you so much. Bye now.